Today I'm having a luxury safari tent experience in South Africa. I'm going to be staying at Muluwa Lodge in White River, South Africa. My plan is to document my stay here. I'll show you the room and everything else Muluwa Lodge has to offer. Let's go! Welcome to our room here at Muluwa Lodge. This place looks great. Let's go check it out. Wow, I really love this room in Muluwa Lodge. I'm staying in a luxury safari tent right here in White River, South Africa. I have a feeling that my stay here is going to be premium. There's something special about this place and I think you guys will feel it as well, especially if you come and stay here. If you want to check that out, there'll be a link down in the description below at a really great price for everything that you get here. If you have a look on their website, you'll see that Muluwa Lodge offers superb African luxury and accommodation paired with genuine hospitality. So if you want to come stay the night, there are 3 choices of accommodation to choose from during your stay. Either the luxury safari tent, superior room, or a luxury suite. Or if you want to just come for the day, there are a lot of activities that you can do, including a game drive safari, sundowners, or you can just chill at the pool. If you want to look up more information about that, I'll leave a link to their website down in the description as well. So, let's get into the tour. You'll arrive at the entrance, drive through the Likweti Wildlife Estate, and then eventually you'll see Muluwa Lodge. You'll check in at reception, and then you'll make your way to your room. The room's this way. First thing you'll notice is the amazing view, but before we explore the outside, let's go inside and see what the room has to offer. I pushed the wrong way. Wow. Welcome inside. When you first walk in, you'll see the bedroom. There is an African theme in here, as you can see from the beautiful tree in the picture and on the pillows. But the main part of this room that shows the African theme is that this is an actual tent. To sleep, there are 2 single beds that we arranged on request because I'm here with my dad. Of course, the mandatory bed jump test bed thing. That's comfortable. There is an awesome view in front of us, which I'm very excited to wake up to. Above me, there is a ceiling fan and an aircon on the other side, and these are so necessary because of the crazy heat here. It is so hot. It is currently 28 degrees, and that is actually cool for the area here. It was like 40 degrees Celsius the other day. Mad. Behind me there is a green backboard with lights, pot plants and charging points. But this green backboard actually separates the bedroom from the bathroom. So let's go check out the bathroom. Before the bathroom, we can see behind the green backboard there are these shelves with a coffee and tea station and everything you need to make one of those. Under that there is a mini fridge. In the middle there is a desk, chair and a mirror. On the left there is hanger space and more shelves with a safe. And finally there is some storage space for your bags. This is a surprisingly really nice bathroom. There is a double basin vanity with towels and all types of soaps. Behind there is a cool shower, but don't worry, there's also hot, which is clearly labeled. There are holes in the floor so that the water can flow out, which is really smart. And there is a separate room for the toilets. It's a nice toilet, but the one thing they can add is a toilet paper holder. There isn't one. What you currently have to do is grab the toilet paper from this bowl on the side here and do your business, you know? Other than that, really nice bathroom. Let's go outside to see the amazing view of the Likweti Wildlife Estate, farmlands and mountains in the distance. This view behind me is incredible. Let's go! You can sit on these chairs and enjoy the view, which is what I'm about to do because that's everything in the room. I really like this tent. I can't recommend it anymore to anyone else. It's going to be a fun experience tonight, so I'm looking forward to it. I want to go see what else Muluwa Lodge has to offer. Let's go! You can see some wildlife roaming around the estate here, like this impala, I think. This tree behind me here is actually the one that you can see inside the room, which is on the picture and on the pillows. And while I need to find out the name out, when I figure it out, I'll put it in here. It is beautiful. Such a cool tree. It looks like an umbrella. As you walk into the lodge, you're welcomed in multiple different languages, including English, Afrikaans, Zulu, and German, which is surprising, but it's because there's a lot of German tourists that come and visit here, which is pretty cool to know. So thank you for welcoming us. There's a pub where you can go sit, get a nice drink, and it looks great. They have many options. There is a restaurant there where you can sit and enjoy a great meal. There are also chairs for the restaurant that look out into the view and over the pool, which looks fantastic. Wow, this is a premium spot. I'd love to sit here for a while, but there's more to see of the lodge. Let's go. There is also a boma where you can go sit and enjoy the fire, maybe roast some marshmallows. That seems like a great time to me. Then if you walk up this hill, you can see there is a spa at the top, which looks fantastic. As you can see, I've now put on a jacket which is crazy because it's been like 30, even 40 degrees Celsius here in the days. But now tonight, it's actually pretty cold, where I've had to actually put on my jersey. We just arrived at supper, and we have realized after reading the menu that there are no vegetarian options, which is a bit of an issue because my dad and I don't eat meat or chicken. So we had to make a plan and see if they could do anything else for us. For starters, I had butternut and onion soup with a slice of bread, which was surprisingly better than I thought it would be, because I don't really like onion, but it tasted good. I enjoyed it. For mains, they offered us a vegetable curry, which we weren't too interested in, so we then got toasted cheeses and chips with mozzarella cheese, tomato, and pesto. It wasn't the pesto. It was a triple layered toasted cheese, which I've never had before, so it was way too much bread and way too much cheese. But the chips were good. The triple layered toasted cheese was not the move. For dessert, there was tiramisu. I've had better. We just got back to the room now and we're gonna get ready for bed. Good night. I'm gonna go to sleep. So that has been everything that we've done here in White River and at Muluwa Lodge. I hope you've enjoyed the video because I've really enjoyed my stay. So I hope I've possibly influenced you guys to come stay in the future. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next one. I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers. I tried this on the rock. I missed it. That is a good blooper.
Hello.
Hello.
To my tent.
What do you think of Muluwa Lodge so far?
Lekker.
Hey, what's up? I'm currently looking at the mirror, looking at my camera. So, yeah. Is that blinding you? I don't know. Sorry if it is. Making my way up to the lodge. Walking slow because it's a hill. Legs are tired already.